Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to my humble home here in Allentown, Pennsylvania. My wife and I purchased this 1975 split level home 2 years ago. And today we're going to be doing an Arzel Zoning system installation on the HVAC system. Why? Because this is a split level home. We have a whole bedroom level here on this side of the house. We have an upstairs kitchen and living room level there. This is the garage underneath. And then there is a finished basement underneath the bedroom level. The issue with this design of a home, like most homes, first floor, second floor, traditional, but in this case, whether it's first floor, second floor, or in this case, half a level, half a level, half a level, we have no way to get the air where I need it to be. So once done today, the existing thermostat upstairs will become zone 1. We'll be installing 2 more additional sensing points for bedroom level and then the finished basement level. All the ductwork and the HVAC system is in the attic, so we'll be retrofitting all the ductwork up there, installing the dampers from Arzel Zoning, and then a zoning panel will become the new intelligence in front of the HVAC system. All said and done, each of the 3 thermostats will now become zones. They will talk to the zoning panel talks to the HVAC system, and I'll finally be able to get the air where I need it to be. Summertime, these windows get a lot of sun. I need a lot more cooling on this level versus this bedroom level that's under the shade and doesn't have these big windows. In the wintertime, I don't need that much up here, but I need more heat down here. And in the basement, it's finished, it's underground. I definitely don't need air conditioned air down there. So being able to actually open and close zones, prioritize zones, I'll have 3 sensing points. It's very, very exciting. So stay tuned, we'll have more footage to come. Thanks everyone.